Hello, hello. Hello, hello. My name is Judith Smetana. Welcome to Accent Modification for Accountants. Nice to meet you. Most of my students would like for me to do more videos on how do I sound like an American. Many of you are in jobs and you would like to get promoted. That means that you would like to be a manager, but your English skills are great, but no one can understand you. So let's talk. Welcome to this vlog where we delve into a crucial topic for all finance professionals: accent modification for accountants. This is very short today, as it can be very redundant and boring, so I'll make it short. We will enhance your communication skills in the accounting field. Effective communication is the cornerstone of our profession. Clear and concise messages transcend barriers and lead to sound financial decisions. However, as an ESL accountant or a person in accounting, you might wonder why I'm speaking so slow. Because I would like for you to say these words just like I am. However, as an ESL accountant or a professional hailing from a non-English speaking country, you may face unique challenges in articulation that affect the clarity of your message. I understand your challenge. Let's do this together. For accountants with accents, you may find that your message gets lost in translation, or you freeze whenever you are speaking. Mispronunciations and miscommunications, however subtle, can have significant implications for financial reporting and client relationships, let alone your manager. Your manager may become angry when you say something and they don't understand you. Also, you may be a certified public accountant. You've worked so hard, yet you can't get one of those positions because no one can understand you. The question isn't about if, but how to sharpen your accent for professional advantage it brings. Also, cultural. We must be able to discuss culturally what we would like to do with our clients, or if we want to become friends with our colleagues. Why do I need to sound different? Because it's an investment. You must try to understand that if someone cannot understand you, they are less likely to trust you. So let's build our credibility. Credibility means I believe you. Just elevate your comfort in speech. That's right. You can feel confident while speaking, and let's do it together. I will explain different tools over and over again until you can hear yourself. When you can, read with ease, speak with ease, listen with ease, and write with ease, you will feel confident and fluent. Your children will be able to understand you, and you'll be able to understand your children. Tangible benefits, facilitating unobstructed communication. That means let's make it easier to communicate. Cementing a strong professional presence. I feel great. I'm number one in my field. Contributing a positive brand image. You are your own brand. Believe it or not, we each have our own brand. Aligning with corporate culture and global norms. I want to be just like you. Okay, let's face it. If you weren't born in America, you may feel as an outsider. When I went to Saudi Arabia, there is no way that I could fit in, but I certainly gave it a good go. I came to the realization that I can try, but I'm still going to be a foreigner, and that's okay. Don't beat yourself up about it in your mind, and don't let it rent space in your head. It's okay. We can become friends. Now, let's address the methodology for improvement. Implementing these strategies can lead to lasting changes in your accent. If you practice, you are more likely to understand phonetics. We will practice today. Stress patterns. Your intonation goes up. How are you? I am fine. The reason why we have to use intonation is so the listener understands us. If the listener doesn't understand us, then why are we talking? Engaging with native English speakers, that's our goal. Participating in pronunciation workshops, that's what this is. Advocating for constructive feedback. Hey, teacher, can you correct me? Sure, I can. Hey, tutor, can you correct me? Sure, I can. I may hurt your feelings, but it is all right. It's all right. I should extend this, but that's all right. Okay. All right, success stories. We don't share we don't just share strategies. We celebrate real life results. Let's do that. We've seen accounting professionals transform their communication and as a result their careers. Personal triumphs show that dedication to mastery and accent can propel you into the realm of elite communicators within the industry. Many people, they don't listen to my story, but they sure want a piece of it when they can't speak English. Can you help me? Yes, I can. It will also help you be more patient with your family. Okay, let's hear these inspirational tales of progress. If you can, you would like, book a class with me through Cute English Teacher, LLC. They'll be at the link at the bottom, and I'll also put in a free speech coach that is AI driven. Leading team discussions, this is where you want to be, and representing the company at international forums. You'll get so good at it, guaranteed. Guaranteed. Okay, this journey that we're going to be taking, I'll share my family and my life from time to time so that you can listen to other words other than accounting, financial, or those financial words. If you're not interested, you can skip these videos, but we'll get to know each other. From specialized language training apps to one-on-one sessions with me, an expert, there's a world out there of support. All right. I will help you with pronunciation applications. I will guide you to online courses that are for free. That's the whole thing. We want you to do this inexpensively. We don't want you to break the bank. There's no reason to pay high money, high dollar. Enunciation guides. You and I will do it today. We'll work on workshops. Let me know what you want to hear. If it's for your child, if your child says one-word sentences, hey, how are you doing? Your child comes in and says, hey, fine, then leaves. Let me know. We can work on that as well. And thank you for English for Accounting, whomever you are. Let's begin. All right. Make this a little bigger here. Accounting. Can you say accounting? Accounting involves in recording and summarizing an organizational transaction or business deals, such as purchase and sales, and reporting in a form of financial statements. You will see behind sales, it has a comma. You should be able to say that comma. What do you mean? Pause. As purchase and sales. Sales. Many sales. I will make many sales. Bookkeeping is the day-to-day recording of transactions. Many transactions can also be one. Financial accounting includes bookkeeping and preparing financial statements for shareholders and creditors, which are people or organizations who have lent money to a company. Lent is past. Lend now. Management accounting involves the use of accounting data by managers for making plans and decisions. Again, thank you for accounting. Yes. All right. Drop your questions at the bottom. We can also do this in a syllable way. Management. Management. Accounting. Management accounting. Management accounting. Management accounting involves the use of accounting data by managers for making plans and decisions. Auditing. Auditing. I am auditing. If you are an auditor, I'm an auditor. Auditor. I am an auditor. I am an auditor. Auditor. Good. Means examining a company's system of control and the accuracy or exactness of its record. Oh, what do you do? I'm an auditor. Accountant. Accountant. A person who trained to prepare and maintain financial records. An accountant. CPA. Certified Public Accountant. Certified Public Accountant. At any time, you can shut this off and practice. I am a CPA. Good. Assets, things of value owned by a business. An asset may be a physical property, such as a building, or an object, such as a stock certificate, or it may be a right, such as the right to use a patent process. Patented. Patent. Patent. Process. Patent. It's really hard, isn't it? We just say patent. Liabilities, amounts owed by a company to others. Liabilities. Amounts owed by a company to others. If you can't pronounce something, liabilities, we usually clap it out. Liabilities. You will hear me say this again and again. Liabilities. We can put our hands over our hands like this. Liabilities. Our minds will concentrate bringing our two fingers together. We will always say that word correctly. Liabilities. Liabilities. You always say the words correctly. Current liabilities. Current liabilities are those amounts due within 1 year or less and usually include account payable, accruals. Accruals. Good. Loans due to be paid within a year, taxes due within a year, and so on. And so on could be etc. etc. Long-term liabilities. Long-term liabilities. 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 Good. Normally include the amounts of mortgages, bonds, and long-term loans that are due more than a year in the future. Capital. Capital. Money invested in a business by its owner. See equity on the bottom or right side of a capital investment is an investment in a fixed asset with a long-term use. Debit. Debit. An accounting on the left or top of the balance sheet with a positive value for assets and negative value for liabilities and equity. Credit. An accounting entry on the right or bottom of the balance sheet. It is an account entry with a negative value for assets and positive value for liabilities and equity. We don't have to yell when we speak to another person. we have to be clear. Balance sheet, a statement of the financial position of a company at a single specific time, often at the close of business on the last day of the month, quarter, or year. It is a summary of the company's financial status, including assets, liability, and equity. All right, let's pronounce these words slowly that you can hear the syllables. We will also put them in sentences. Counting. Counting. Have you done accounting today? Yes, I have. Bookkeeping. 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 Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Financial accounting. Management accounting. Management accounting. Management accounting. Have you done management accounting, financial accounting, and bookkeeping today? Yes, I have. Auditing. Auditing. Or auditing. The American way. Auditing. Good. Very good. Accountant. Accountant. He is my accountant. Assets. 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 Do you have any assets? Yes, I have a house. Liabilities. 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 Current liabilities. Current liabilities. Long-term liabilities. Long, not long, long, long-term liabilities. Capital. Capital. Debit. 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 Credit. Credit. Balance sheet. Balance sheet. Balance sheet. Good work. Okay. Practice. So, as we wrap it up today, the conversation about accent modification doesn't end here. It begins with daily commitment, a few minutes and focused exercises. Please learn 5 new words a day. Do yourself a favor. Get on dictionary.com. Next to it has thesaurus.com. You will thank yourself. Learn 5 new words a day. Use them in sentences and know the synonyms. Each day let each day become a step forward to a more impactful and assured you. You've got it. I know you can do it. You've got this far. You can do it. Don't let cultural nuance stand in your way. That means don't let the naysayers bully you at work, at your home. Children may say, oh, mommy can't speak English, daddy can't. Yes, you can. An educated person got this far. Let's work together. It's time to bridge the gap and speak with an accent that resonates with corporate clarity. Even if you stay home all day, you can do this. If your husband or your wife are American speakers and they won't correct you, come to me. Book a class with me. Let's be friends. For more personalized guidance, you can contact me, a communication coach, and I can help you. Whether you're an accountant, a zookeeper, a homemaker, a teacher, come to me and we can work together. Thank you for investing in your professional development. You are your brand, and remember that each word you articulate isn't just a sound. It's a stepping stone to a more lucrative horizon. Who knows? You could be president one day. If you're ready, leap forward, book a practice session with me today, and begin your transformation. Let's make your voice heard in every boardroom, dining table, conversation, wedding, whatever you're preparing for. Let's do it together. All right, from cute English teacher Judith Smetana. I hope you have a good night, or day, or wherever you are. Goodbye. See you next time.